Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by measuring the effective radius in meters and noting the RPM value. Convert radius to meters now, because linear speed uses meters. Once done, change RPM into revolutions per second by dividing by 60. Make sure to keep digits. RPM/60 gives rev/s. You do this first so subsequent formulas are unit consistent and you avoid later scaling errors. Now you have R in meters and F in rev/s. So proceed to compute tangential speed using the angular relation. Once you have F, calculate angular velocity omega by multiplying F by 2 pi, because 1 revolution equals 2 pi radians. You do this to convert revolutions per second into radians per second. That's the bridge between rotation and linear motion. Next, multiply omega by the radius r to get tangential speed v, using v equals omega times r. Do the multiplication carefully, and keep units. Rad/s times m gives m/s. If you want a shortcut, combine steps into v equals 2 pi times r times r. Finish by evaluating v equals 2 pi times r times RPM/60, and record the result in meters per second. You should state the numeric value with appropriate significant figures, for example, 3.14 m/s. Then verify units explicitly to ensure you didn't mix centimeters or minutes. If the number seems off, remeasure radius and confirm RPM instrument calibration. One key troubleshooting tip: if V is too high or low, check whether you measured diameter instead of radius. Have that diameter and recalculate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.